Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this blurred splash effect using fluid in UE5 Niagara. And I have already created this, but I will create this again from the scratch so you can understand better. And if you have any query, just comment below the video. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. And if you like this video, like, share, and comment. And let's start this video. So as you can see, I have these splashes and also the blurred decal. But in this tutorial, I will just cover the splashes because this decal, I just use it from my previous tutorial. I'll show you which tutorial so you can watch that tutorial for the decal. Okay. So what I did here, let me create a new label and here let me create a new folder and I'll put the original file on my pattern. You can check that. So you have to turn on the plugin every time I show you fluid and then restart the engine. Take the Niagara and use the template and go down and you can use this 3D flip splash and just